Greetings highly, ladies and gentlemen. I introduce myself as Peace Bambo. I'm the band leader of Jad Tribe Band, Reggae revolutionaries from East Africa. My project is to inspire the people. There's so much things going on all over the world. Maybe me and you, we can't change it, but together maybe we can share a small light to inspire the people who have the ability to change this world.
Sound of revolution.
The message is in reggae. The message is nature. I am nature. Are you aware that you are nature? What can I can do to keep this nature in his natural way without judging anybody what they are doing? Just standing right in whatever you believe in.
Sexy Gakondo reggae music.
Music is written in my brain. It's written in my feeling. You know? Me, I just do pay attention, listen to my brain. You know? I read it, then I put it out.
Open your eyes, follow
Everybody in this life needs help. 80% of my work already done. Just 20%. And that 20% is the last gate that everybody could open for us. And let the world listen what really burn from us. Still on the mission to accomplish my mission. I'm looking for a hand of help from all over international. We are all soul brothers. We are all blood brothers.